Hello everyone. So we are looking at the package question from Determinant phase 5 exercise 1. It is still question number 2. So it's a simple question again. The reason I chose because we are doing this and then also revising the very basic properties here. So if a matrix is given to us and we have to find the value of, determinant we have to find. So the symbol for determinant very much looks like a mod. So if matrix is given to us and we have to find the value of the determinant value of this matrix, this is simply this minus this. So 1 minus 0. So this is equal to simply 1. Thank you.